first of all, condoling those we have lost with these floods. And it clearly demonstrates the poor state of infrastructure that we have, whether by projects that have stalled or by inadequate know-how of how to mitigate when there are floods. If you look at the city of Nairobi, you go to the neighboring constituency, Machakos, over the weekend, Kajiado, it just shows that we are never ready for such calamities that can be caused by flood. And I really want to appeal that counties must have basic standards of dealing with certain issues.